Hi guys, welcome back to Learn with Likit. This is Likit. As you seen in the thumbnail, this is a detailed preparation strategy for CA Foundation Law. I thought of making a video on law as I also found it difficult when I'm studying foundation. So it would be better I clarify some of the important topics in the preparation strategy, how to prepare and what to refer and all. I have covered a bit in my earlier videos so that you can all know it in a overview. Now I'm giving a detailed version of the preparation strategy for law. So here comes the preparation strategy. So let's start. The main two things for the preparation of law is conceptual clarity and the revision. Conceptual clarity, you get it from the lectures you listen or the online classes you listen. You will get it from there. But revision lies in your hands. The conceptual clarity contributes to 30 to 40% of your preparation, but the main thing lies in revision. Once you get a conceptual clarity without revision, it is not of use. So with the revision, you can recall the concepts very easily and present it exam, and you can score as many marks as it. So I wanna say three things that are important for the preparation strategy. One, know your weightage of marks. Which topics to concentrate more, which topics to concentrate less. As I said in the earlier video, there are 4 topics you should concentrate on more. Indian regulatory framework, you can score 5 to 6 marks easily from that. You will get up to 5 marks, 5 to 8 marks from that. So once you get a clarity on that topic, and you can revise it in half an hour or something, so you can get a grip on it and you can present it easily and easily score 5 to 8 marks. So that's why Indian regulatory framework is an important one and no one should neglect it. Second comes Indian Companies Act. Indian Companies Act is a short one and you can revise it easily. So better go with the Companies Act and prepare it thoroughly, as it will be useful for Inter, also CA Inter. The CA Inter mainly focus on the companies law. So if you study companies law here well, and it will be an addition to the CA Inter. And also it's important as per the weightage. It contributes up to 15 to 20 marks, 20% of the marks in the exam. So Indian Companies Act is an important one. Sales of Goods Act. Sales of Goods Act is also an important one. So focus on the Sales of Goods Act. Get a good conceptual clarity in Sales of Goods Act, as the ICAI tests you in case scenarios. If you get a strong grip on the conceptual clarity, then you can easily crack the case scenarios that are given by ICAI in the exam. Next, Indian Contract Act. You know that's a very big chapter, and it contributes up to 25 to 30%. 30% is not a normal thing. So 30% of the total marks of your exam. So concentrate it on it more. And then comes LLP. LLP is also important one. It contributes less, but you can score easily, as you can expect a theory question from it, and there is a chance, but rarely they will give a case scenario. So concentrate on more on the theory question. Next, Negotiable Instruments Act. It's a small one and you can read it easily. So please cover the Negotiable Instruments Act, especially section 138, the check bouncing. I am not aware about the section correctly. So the check bounce, you should study that section more importantly. So please concentrate it on. And foremost important thing in the preparation goes to preparation of notes. Prepare your own notes apart from the notes given by your academy or the institute. Please focus on preparing the notes. How to prepare notes. You should prepare the notes in such a way that all the subheadings, all the headings of which are given in your textbook should be covered. And not only the side headings and the subheadings, you should also cover the keywords that are there under the headings or subheadings, and in the sections and subsections that are sections and subsections. So you should cover everything. But you should not make it a lengthy notes. You should prepare it a short way that you can revise it in a 10 to 20 minutes. So that, and keywords are important. The ICAI will award you for the keywords that you write in the exam. They will not award you for the matter. They will not award for the facts of the case or anything. They will award you for the keywords. This is the ICAI exam, guys. You should not write in your own as you wrote in SSC or your 10th class exams. The ICAI wants you to represent as same as which is there in the textbook. So to represent the same, to copy the same, you should focus on the keywords. Keywords are the main important, so focus on the keywords. I will show you a sample of the notes that I have prepared for my foundation for sale of goods. This is the notes I have prepared for the sale of goods for the unit 1. This is, so you should cover each and every point in it and you should mention every keyword in it. So I have completed within 4 pages. The unit 1 has been covered in the 4 pages. So you should make it as short as, but each and every topic should be covered. Next, after the preparation of the notes, we should revise it. Revision plays an important role as mentioned in the video earlier. So, how to revise? First, there are 3 main steps to revise. First, read all the topics that you have written in your notes first, and try to replicate the same without saying in the book. Scribble it. Do a scribble revision time. So then focus on the points that you have missed in the revision, so you can get a clarity on which points you are forgetting, so which points on you should focus the more. So once you get the points that you should focus more, focus on it, and study the rest again. After the scribble revision, when you check the, and again read from first to last once, and again do a scribble revision until you get it perfectly. Do the scribble revision, scribble revision, scribble revision. How many times you make it that perfect you will become. So that's what the point. And next, know the important thing that ICAI don't want you to know this is, don't write on your own. Many of our lecturers says that you can write on your own. For our academy also, the lecturer said that you can write on your own. So but the ICAI never allows you to write on your own. You should replicate the same which is there in your textbook. So that's why I'm saying that focus on the keywords. So if you focus on the keywords, you can represent the same, you can replicate the same, so that you can get awarded by the marks that ICAI given you. Next, and you must do TYKs, that is test your knowledge, which is backside of your textbook and for every lesson. So it plays an important role, as the case scenarios that ICAI give in our textbooks or else exams are the same. So you must do our test your knowledge. And if you have scanners, please go through scanners. I'm not saying to do all the questions. I'm saying which questions are different from your test your knowledge that you did. Please try writing practice of the same. And I forgot to mention that writing practice. How can we forget writing practice? Writing practice is the very most important. No, not going through test your knowledge, just reading. You should write the question. Not means only writing the question that is there same in the textbook. Please try to answer the question which is there in the textbook. Write it in your rough book. Try checking the answer with the answer given by ICAI in the textbook. Check where you have gone wrong and correct them. So please focus on these 5 steps. First one, conceptual clarity. Second one, revise thorough. Third one, focus on the keywords. Fourth one, writing practice. Fifth one, no writing on your own. Compare the test your knowledge answers with your answers. These 6 plays an important role. And also your weightage. Focus on your weightage and study as per your weightage. You should not spend all the time in studying all the chapters. You can study by the weightage. If you for example, for my exam I have left the Partnership Act. Without the Partnership Act, I got to attempt nearly 95 marks I have attempted. And you should focus on a Partnership Act and Companies Act. You will get in the compulsory question. So it's a basic one and everyone knows, I think, who have given the earlier attempt. The Partnership Act and Companies Act question will come for sure in the compulsory question. So focus on it. Partnership Act, you can study it once, but if you have no time, leave the Partnership Act, as it is a very bit lengthy and the weightage is compared less. So these are the main important topics for your revision. So please concentrate on those 5 steps which I have learned. And if you want any preparation strategy for any other subject, please let me know down in the comments. And also let me know down in the comments your views about my channel and what to improve, and I will improve it, as this is a starting stage of my channel. So please do support guys, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.